often got people asking us how to repair Mercedes 48 volts battery. Now we'll share some tips and explain how to repair them. This is a Mercedes 48 volts battery. The normal voltage of this should be 48 volts. But it's only 27 V, indicating that it lacks charge. Before we charge it, let's measure each single cell first. Make sure all cells are basically the same. Then charge. If the differential voltage of two cells are too far, then we can charge directly. It won't take long for recharging it when there isn't such an issue. Now, let me introduce how to measure the voltage of this single cell. A 48 volts battery is made up of 12 battery cells in series. Now measure them respectively. This one connects here. Now we can see the voltage of this single cell, around 2.22 volts. Next one connects another side. A bit more, 2.3 volts. These two are one group. These two are one group. Also these two. And these two. From here to here, then here. All this way. 12 pieces in total. There is not much difference between the cells. That is to say we could charge the whole battery directly. Measure the positive and negative electrodes before charging. Test it with the voltmeter. For example, here shows negative, which means we swap the probes. Let's switch them. Not negative this time. So it's positive. Another side is negative. We use this 48 volts car charger. Adjust to a bit more than 48 volts. Connect positive terminal. And negative. We can see that the current is rising slowly. When it reaches a bit more than 48 volts, the current will stop flowing into the battery. The current stops increasing once the charge is finished. This is a fully charged cell. Charge is complete. Check again for the voltage of each single cell. 4V. It's 4 volts. 4V. Now, the voltage of every battery is the same. We also have to repair the BMS 5. Install the BMS back. Repair complete.